In this video, we'll explain how the multifunction display works to provide the driver with useful information and how to use it in the 2019 Subaru Ascent. The multifunction display, or MFD, displays useful messages such as notifications, info screens like fuel consumption, and is the hub to set and adjust maintenance notifications. To operate the multifunction display, first enter the vehicle. A welcome screen will appear for a short time. And once the ignition is switched to the on position, the welcome screen will disappear. To scroll through the different menu screens, press the up and down buttons located above the main screen. To access the MFD settings, scroll to the guidance screen, press and hold Enter or View. The top menu will be displayed, and using the up or down buttons, select your preferred menu and press Enter or View to enter the menu to adjust settings. Various menu screens can be accessed with the multifunction display. The basic screen displays the clock, outside temperature, and information screen. Other available screens are electric components operations, prevention safety screen, eyesight screen, favorite screen, weather information screen, navigation screen, audio screen, fuel consumption screen, clock and date screen, and guidance screen. The multifunction display is the driver's hub for key notifications and information in the 2019 Subaru Ascent.